QSL 1-4 division, 1-4 division. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, state of Tennessee, USA, North America. Back to you, sir.
2 division, copy 1-4 division, 1-4 Sugar Delta 229 for 2 division.
QSL 1-4 Sugar Delta 229, 1-4 Sugar Delta 229, Q5 signal in the state of Tennessee. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. Back to you.
1-4 Sugar Delta 229, West Atlantic Ocean 014
QSL 1-4 Sugar Delta 229, very good. 1-4 Sugar Delta 229, this is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. We do have a copy on you. Your Q5, 5x7, 5x5, 5x7 in the state of Tennessee there, QSL.
Okay, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, okay, very good, brilliant. Okay, my friend, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 1-4 Sugar Delta 229. My friend, France, Florida, Radio Alpha November Charlie Kilo, and my support is now West Atlantic Ocean, Guatemala.
QSL 100%, 100%. Your signal report is 5x7, 5x7, 5x9, very strong here in the state of Tennessee. Operator name on this end is Ken, Kilo Echo November. Operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. We are located in the state of Tennessee, USA, North America. Back to you.
Okay, on that percent, I can
QSL 100%, very good, very good. Working conditions on this end is a President Jackson export radio. Working a President Jackson export radio with a Antron 99 antenna, antenna about 25 feet in the air. Working an Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air. Working at the moment about 500 whiskey at you, with a Turner Super Sidekick microphone there. Back to you. QSL, very good, 100%. Signal report still 5x7, 5x5, 5x7, 5x9, very good. We've had really good conditions. Europe really opened up this morning on 555. Europe, all of Europe really opened up on 555. Very good propagations. Glad to hear your country come over here in the state of Tennessee, USA. QSL. QSL, very good, 100%, 100%. Signal 5x5, very strong. Good luck on your DX. All the good numbers from my house to yours. Enjoyed making contact with your country. 14 Sugar Delta 229, take care. Good luck on your DX. It's been a pleasure on this end. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA. We thank you.
Okay,
73, take care.